Hey everyone, this is my longbow. It's hickory longbow. It haven't got string yet. It's not for the string, and it haven't got string because my little sister accidentally cut it. But nothing special. It was just polyurethane string. It isn't sized like a real longbow. It's not 180 to 2 meters. It's 160 because I'm smaller. It needs to be about your between your eyes and your end of the head. Look. See. I make it pretty good because there's small bumps but nothing special. I think the bow is perfect. Okay, the handle, it's crappy. I haven't time to make a pretty handle like on this bow. This bow handle is a little bit better. This is my longbow, also hickory. So I'm going to make shooting videos soon, but it's bad weather outside, so I can't. Goodbye.